Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about the Ulanzi MT-44 tripod that I recently purchased for my vlogging setup. If you're someone who's always on the go and looking for a reliable tripod that's also portable, then this one might just be the perfect fit for you. Body. First, let me give you a quick overview of the tripod. The Ulanzi MT-44 is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which makes it sturdy and durable. It has a maximum height of 53 inches and a minimum height of 16 inches, which is perfect for both standing and sitting positions. It also has a weight capacity of up to 8.8 pounds, which means it can hold most DSLR cameras, smartphones, and even small camcorders. Now, let's talk about some of the features that I really like about this tripod. One of my favorite features is the 360-degree ball head, which allows me to easily adjust the camera angle and shoot from different perspectives. I also like that it comes with a quick release plate, which makes it easy to attach and detach my camera from the tripod. Another great thing about the Ulanzi MT-44 is that it's very lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around with me wherever I go. It comes with a carrying bag, which makes it even more convenient to pack and transport. Conclusion. Overall, I'm really happy with my purchase of the Ulanzi MT-44 tripod. It's a great option for vloggers, photographers, and anyone who needs a reliable tripod that's also portable. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.